Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is one of my favorite videos to do every year, and that's go Christmas decor shopping. At this point, I really don't need any more Christmas decor, but I love to do this for you. That's what I always say. It's for you. It's not really my shopping problem. It's for you. So we're gonna go into the store today and see what's around, see what's out. I kind of have an idea for a theme in mind. I want to do like tan and brown and neutrals, lots of different textures, kind of organic. Last year we did like a big winter white theme. I thought that was really pretty, but I want to do a little more neutral this year. So we're gonna go into At Home. It's one of my favorite stores to shop at for Christmas decor. It is turning into Christmas in here. Now, when I'm filming this, it's October 26th. So even though this video isn't going up till next month, I'm filming it early. But I always think they have a great tree selection here too. So something I love about At Home is like every aisle is a different theme depending on what you like. In this, I feel like I want to get some stuff for Julian and Rocco in this aisle because they are the Disney fanatics. Think Juji would like?
I think Juji would like.
Oh, the Minnie and the Mickey. That's cute. Or the ornament, we could put it on his tree. They have a Mickey or just a Minnie?
Yeah, Mickey one up there.
Where?
Up top in the middle.
Oh.
I got another Mickey one right there.
Oh, over here. Cute. He'll like this. A Minnie. Cute. Okay, we're gonna get the theme stuff, but this is just cute because these are the things that he really likes. So we do a little tree up in his room, and we're not even gonna be here for Christmas this year, but we're still gonna do a little tree for him. That'd be cute. Yeah. Muted. I like some metallic, so it's like sparkly and pretty, but I also want to do some more natural stuff too. But I think I'm gonna do some of these. That's really pretty. I think I might do this by the fireplace. This is really cute. Here is the pink theme. This is actually really pretty because I always see a lot of rose gold, but this is more like true rose and girly, feminine, some mauve. That's pretty. I like this tree skirt. The pinky. This is really, really cute. And they've got some more gold and silver over here too. I have quite a bit of gold, like this type of stuff at home, so I'm not gonna get too much. Now that I have so much Christmas decor, even though I like to do a new theme every year, I do like to go off of stuff I already have and just add in a couple new pieces every year. So that's my plan, but I do like this. I think this is really pretty. I like this color a lot. I do want to find some chocolate brown. That's what I'm looking for too. Oh, these might be pretty. These might be good. You need a mug. Blue black one. Okay, and then this is nice how they have just every color. So whatever your theme is, if you don't want to spend a bunch of money on tons of like unique ornaments, you can do the bulk of them with like these big packs and still get your color and your theme. They even have black. I've never seen black before.
Oh yeah.
Candies, these are kind of cool. I've never seen these before either. Like marble-ish. I like this color. Even if you didn't want to do chocolate brown, you could do navy with like the white and tan. That's really, really pretty. Like more elegant. I like that. Oh, here's some chocolate brown. Here we go. Cute. Pine cones. And then I think I got these last year too, so maybe I'll use these again too. That'd be really pretty all together though. These are massive. But that's cool. I like doing a couple really big ornaments, and then they take up a lot of space on the tree and add a big statement, but you don't need to do tons and tons of ornaments. Then it's easy to put down too, take down at the end of the season. Tons of nutcrackers. Oh my god, look at this one. That is funny. So many nutcrackers. Oh, that's cute. The teddy bear. It's a new day. We are home. I'm going to unbox everything, share with you all the stuff that I've bought for our home for the holidays. I ended up doing a couple online orders at some other stores too, so a huge haul is coming. But first, I wanted to do an unboxing of my Fabletics order for this month. You guys know I absolutely love Fabletics, and everyone that I've talked to that's tried it loves it too. They just have the best quality pieces at a great price. Athleisure, athletic wear, lounge wear, really cute, on-trend pieces that fit your body really well, make you feel really good. I'm gonna go ahead and do an unboxing, try everything on, and then we will get into the home haul after this. But big shout out to Fabletics for sponsoring this portion of today's video. I'm really excited because they're actually having one of their biggest sales of the year going on like right now. So let's get to the unboxing. So here is my first look. This is super cozy. These are their cold leather leggings. First of all, I really like this color, but also the material is just super soft, super stretchy. I feel like these would be great for like yoga, Pilates. And then underneath I have the high impact sports bra on, which is my all-time favorite sports bra. I literally wore it for my workout this morning. I've worn it for years. I have them in every color. Size medium fits me perfect. It's so hard to find a sports bra that's good for any type of workout, that's super comfortable, that doesn't dig in. Okay, and then this jacket is called the Nelly. I think this is the cutest thing. So it's kind of like a half zip, quarter zip. You can see the sports bra underneath. So cute. This is like my favorite. This would be such a good gift. It's like quilted. You can see a big pocket in here. So if you're like on a run or going to the gym, you don't want to bring a bag, you can just use that pocket there and put your hands in here to stay warm. It's so cozy. And it goes perfectly with the cozy little slippers. These are called the Snug Strap Slipper. Look how cute these are. I just love this color. Next outfit, I am super into this chocolate brown lately. I love it for fall and winter. This is the Sean jacket. I love the kind of mix of colors, the chocolate brown, the sage green, the mustard yellow. It has a little mesh pocket here, and then it has that same like kind of pocket on the stomach area. This is great if you're running errands or working out and don't want to have a bag but need to bring like some essentials with you. Then I have on the high-waisted cold weather leggings. These have the two pockets on the side. They have the hidden pocket in the back. Super high-waisted, really great stretch, but this is great kind of like lounging, running errands, and then you can take it to the gym or take it to your workout. So this is my final look. This one is really cozy. I think this is a new line from Fabletics. It's the cloud fabric, which is super soft, super cozy. Like you could honestly wear these to bed. So I have the leggings on right now. They're high-waisted. They also have really cute biker shorts and a little bralette, which I'll include close up so you guys can see. I love that mauvey pink color, and this is more of like a rusty color. Super cute for fall. I paired it with the go-to crew neck. I have a bunch of these. I wear them all the time with the joggers or with the sweatpants from Fabletics. I love them. The material is so soft on the inside, super cozy. So I'm a VIP member at Fabletics. I love their pieces. I've worn them for years. If you've been thinking about becoming a VIP member, this is the absolute best month to do it. Fabletics is having their biggest cyber sale that they have ever had. I personally feel like it's the best time to like stock up on holiday gifts for everyone on your list this year. Cozy clothes, slippers, leggings, cute cozy jackets, those are just like the best gifts to get, and I think perfect time to stock up right now during the sale. Get it all done early so you don't have to stress this season. I will have links down below so you can shop Fabletics. Definitely sign up for their VIP program. It is the best month to do it, and big shout out to Fabletics for sponsoring this portion of today's video. Let's go ahead back into the other room. I'm going to share with you guys everything that I picked up decor wise for my home for this season. So let's head over there. We had all the ornaments sitting under the tree so I could film this video for you guys, and Julian couldn't stand it. He wanted to start decorating right away, so he tore into everything, and he actually did such a good job. He did the bottom half completely by himself. So I wanted to show you guys a couple of the things I picked up. First of all, I always get questions on our stockings. They're from RH. I showed you these cute little deer earlier in the video. I picked up 3. I think it looks really cute, and they're like a big statement. They're really like lightweight. They're just made of like cardboard, but they look really fancy. A couple of these like branch style snowy ones. Our tree, I believe, is from Home Depot, by the way. I've shown it in videos in the past. If you want to see any of my other Christmas videos, definitely check out my playlist. Get all the cozy vibes and inspiration. All these ornaments were from At Home. I ended up getting a couple really great chocolate brown ones from Target, but shipping is taking forever and I still haven't gotten them. So that's why this video was a little delayed. I've been waiting for shipping, but this is a chocolate brown. I love it. I think this one's really pretty. This was like a heavy duty, like nice ornament too. And there's our little special cute ones. I'm actually going to put those on a tree in their room, but I haven't yet. These little string lights, I'm actually going to hang outside on our porch. I feel like they'd be really pretty, like on our back porch and really cozy, but you could do them indoor or outdoor. We got some stuff from Balsam Hill too, like a wreath and some garland. This Cookies for Santa, I don't know where it's from, but I'll link it down below. Super cute to put out on Christmas Eve with some milk and cookies. Here are those sparkly brown pine cones that I showed earlier in the video. I put a couple on the tree, and once I saw them on the tree, I was like, I don't know about that. So we'll see. I might end up taking them down. I got this at Target, letters for Santa. So Julian and Rocco can write some letters to Santa, and they can mail them off. So cute. And then I also got this little sign that says like Santa stops here in so many days. I forgot to get a close-up clip of that, but that was from At Home. Here's a little view of what it looks like so far, but I will do a complete decorate with me video next. So make sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and check that out. See you guys next time.